Softly as a shadow sigh, shadows walk, and there walk I. Shadows, darkness in my soul, shadow power is my goal. Power to give and power to take, power to build and to unmake, power to make you right with pain, power to take it back again. You shape wood and earth and stone, I shape flesh and brain and bone. Soft tree shapers, healer wise, you shape living, I shape lives. Softly through our shadowed halls, my thoughts steal and rule them all. Some have tried my rule to end, pain and poor are shadow's friend, for he spoke insult to my face. I stand here and he is grace. She who sought my rule before, I was stronger, she is door. You shape wood and earth and stone, I shape flesh and brain and bone. Soft tree shapers, healer wives, you shape living, I shape lives. Free the flyers, but it remains that they'll return to seek their chains. Hooded falcons who think they're free and follow to my lure and me, for every thought they own is mine. My will reads theirs like a vine, for the love I cannot have, pain and power my balm and salve. You shape wood and earth and stone, I shape flesh and brain and bone.